Today we are going to make beetroot in mutton or Chukandar Gosht. The ingredients are in quarter cup of oil, add 4 medium-sized finely sliced onions. Saute it till the onion changes its color. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute it nicely till the raw aroma of ginger and garlic goes off completely. Ginger garlic has been sauteed. Now add mutton pieces to it. Mix it well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes till it changes its color. Color has been changed. Now we will add 1½ teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything nicely. Add a little water and roast the masalas till they are nicely done. Oil has been separated. Now add 4 medium-sized thinly sliced tomatoes. Mix it well. We are going to cook tomatoes for few minutes. Add salt to taste. Our tomatoes are done. Now add 500 grams of grated beetroots or chukandar. We will mix it and cook it for 2 minutes on high flame. Then pressure cook it till 2 whistles and lower the flame for 5 minutes or till the meat is tender. It will release its own moisture, so we do not have to add any water to it. Add half teaspoon of sugar. It will enhance the taste of beetroots. Cover the lid and now take 2 whistles and then lower the flame for 5 minutes. Look at the beautiful color of the beetroot. Our meat is tender. We will cook it for 5 to 10 minutes till the excess water is evaporated. Add some ginger, green chilies and finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely and transfer it to a serving dish. Our beetroot in mutton is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves, ginger and green chilies.